Okay, today we will learn about Google Drive. So this is the interface of Google Drive, and as you can see here, you can have um, many applications that you can use inside Google Drive, like Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Slides, and also more other applications. This Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides are similar application with Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, and Microsoft PowerPoint. But before we go there, let's just try to get to know the interface of this Google Drive. The first one is My Drive. So everything that you create or you upload will be placed in My Drive. Okay, you can click this button or here to access My Drive. Okay, and let's try to make a new folder inside your drive. Okay, inside this My Drive place. So let's go to new here and click folder, and let's make a new folder called computer lesson and create. Now you have a new drive or new folder, sorry, which is called computer lesson folder. And you can also make new folder by clicking this part. Okay, and here is a new folder button. And besides that, you can also create new file. For example, I want to make a new Google Doc file like this, blank document. Here you will have a new Google Doc file. Let's make or let's rename the file into test file, for example. And also you can place this file into particular folder by clicking this one and click this one and move here. You have already move your new file, the test file, from My Document into your computer lesson folder. Okay, now let's close this file and go to My Drive. As you can see, in My Drive you have one folder which is called computer lesson, and when you go inside this folder you will find your new created file, which is test file. And here in the menu bar you can see that you are inside the computer lesson folder. Okay, the next thing that we are going to talk is about shared with me. Sometimes someone can share their file to you. Okay, for example, here when I click share with me, I have already two files that is shared by someone to me. And let's take a look at that file. For example, this one. When we open this file and we see that it is view only, actually I can only see the file. I cannot edit the file here. Okay, if you want to have the copy of this file for your own, then you will go to file and make a copy. Okay, And when, if you want, you can change the name, okay, into my spreadsheet file, and then you can change the folder. For example, I want to put it inside computer lesson. Go here and select and OK. Let's wait for the loading while it's copying. Now I have the copy of the same file into my drive, okay, my Google Drive I mean, but it is located in the computer lesson file folder. Sometimes you can also get Google Docs shared file from your friend, okay. Here when you click and you try to write something, you cannot write because there is this information that you need to request edit access in order to edit the file, so you cannot edit this file. If you want to have the same copy of this file for your own, again you can go to file and make a copy, and let's delete this one and say my first essential questionnaire, okay. Let's change the folder here, select, and it will be copied to your computer lesson folder. Let's wait for the loading, and yes, now it's already copied to your computer lesson folder, and the file name is my first essential questionnaire, okay. And when we close all these files now, and when we go to my drive and computer lesson, inside of your computer lesson folder, now you have 3 files: test file, my spreadsheet, and this my first essential questionnaire folder. Now let's try to delete a folder. Okay, so let's go to my drive again. We can delete this folder by right click and choose remove and move to trash. Okay, now your my drive is empty again, and okay, the computer lesson folder already gone. But let's say, how about if you mistakenly delete a folder? Again, you can check your trash can, and as you can see, you have this computer lesson folder. If you want to restore it, you can click this button, restore from trash, and when we go to my drive, now your folder already come back, okay. The trash can will keep your deleted file in 30 days, okay, and after that it will be deleted forever. So if you consider to restore your deleted file or folder, please do it before 30 days, okay, otherwise it will be gone forever. How about if you forget the location of a file in your Google Drive? You can go to search and drive, and then you can just type the part of the name that you remember from the file, or even a text that is within the file, or you can also select the type of the documents to search them. For example, let's search for spreadsheet. Okay, we have my spreadsheet file and spreadsheet file. Okay, okay, that's all for now about Google Drive.